Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about why 10 New York City resorts and hotels that are near the city's most popular attractions. So let's start my video. 10 New York City resorts and hotels that are near the city's most popular attractions. Summary: Opera House Hotel, formerly is iconic theatre, now is a stylish Bandague hotel in Bronx with convenient access to the popular attraction like Yankee Stadium and Central Park. Although Midtown, located in their theatre district, this hotel is a great place for exploring the city's top attractions like Broadway and the Empire State Building. Guests can relax on the hotel's outdoor terrace. The Wall Street Inn, an affordable luxury hotel in the financial district, offering amenities like in-rooms dining in a private jet. Close proximity, the historic landmarks like Wall Street and New York Stock Exchange. New York City never sleeps and is a must-visit destination for many travelers. This bustling city is jam-packed with world-class restaurants, historical landmark, and quintessential attraction cuisine. Travelers planning their next vacation to New York City should consider a collection of hotels or resorts near the Big Apple's famous attraction, from the world famous skyscrapers to its bucket-worthy historic attraction. Opera House Hotel. The Opera House Hotel was the beloved Bronx Opera House in South Bronx in its heyday. This venue is one of the iconic theatres in the country, hosting performances of legendary talents like Harry Hadian and the Mars Brothers. Today is functional as the Bandague Hotel with 78 stylish rooms. The Opera House is only a 2 minutes walk from the 3rd Avenue 149th subway station and is a short drive to famous attractions like Yankee Stadium, Harlem, and Central Park. Recommendation: Opera House Hotel. Address: 436 East 149th Street, Bronx, NY 10,455. Amenities: Fitness Center, Business Center, free toiletries. Although Midtown makes a superb place for a traveler's adventures in the Big Apple, placing travelers at the city beating heart, a magical theatre district. In a minute, travelers can relax at the hotel's outdoor terrace. Accommodation: Although Midtown, address 351 West 38th Street, New York, NY 10,018. Amenities: Fitness Center, Restaurant, Bar, Lounge, Business Center. The Wall Street Inn. The Wall Street Inn is an affordable and luxury hotel in the heart of the financial district. This award-winning stay offers a relaxing setting against the backdrop of the hustle and bustle of Lower Manhattan, especially with its amenities like in rooms running by butler, a private gym, high-speed internet, and more simultaneously enjoying the Battery, Wall Street, and the historic Delmonico's. Recommendation: The Wall Street Inn, address 9 South William Street, New York, NY 10,004. Amenities: Fitness Center, free Wi-Fi, Business Center, free toiletries. Westgate, New York, Grand Central. Enjoy a luxurious modern flair with Midtown Manhattan East Side at the Westgate, New York, Grand Central, sitting in the heart of Turner City. This hotel is less than 2 miles from Grand Central Station, the Empire State Building, Times Square, the Rockefeller Central Broadway, and the Fifth Avenue. Reduce street noise and stylish rooms with city views. Recommendation: Westgate, New York, Grand Central, address 304 East 72nd Street, New York, NY 10,017. Amenities: Fitness Center, Restaurant, Bar, Lounge, free Wi-Fi. Residence Inn by Marriott, New York, downtown Manhattan, World Trade Center area. Travelers want to miss anything in the city. that never sleeps while staying at the residence in by Marriott by York. Downtown Manhattan in Manhattan Financial District. Guests explore other boroughs via the Fulton Center subway station a block away. Recommendation: residence by Marriott, New York. Downtown Manhattan World Trade Center area. Address: 170 Broadway, New York. And by 10,007 amenities, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, free parking. The Broom NYC. The Broom NYC is a getaway, the chic fashion and world-class eateries in the historic Soho neighborhood, a few minutes from New York University. This Soho Boutique Hotel is a super place for a traveler's adventure in the Big Apple and a peaceful escape from the city bustling Persian-style breakfast at the Broom Cafe. Recommendation: The Broom NYC. Address: 435 Broom Street, New York, and by 10,013 amenities, free Wi-Fi, coffee shop, free toiletries, airport schedule. Luma Hotel, Times Square. Travelers will notice every bit of New York City's vibing ambience when staying at Luma Hotel's Times Square. Its midtown Luma embodies its city-inspired, stylish, modern, and energetic guest steps from Times Square and brilliant park, while being spoiled with city views from their rooms like 41st Street, Verizon Plaza, and Times Square. Recommendation: Luma Hotel, Times Square. Address: 120 West 41st Street, New York, and by 10,036 amenities, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, tea, coffee maker. The Langham, New York, 5th Avenue. Guests can experience the ambience of Midtown Manhattan at the Langham, New York, 5th artisanal cocktail at Bar Fury. Recommendation: The Langham, New York, 5th Avenue. Address: 400 5th Avenue, New York, and by 10,018 amenities, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, business center. The Lowell. Staying at a well-rated 5-star hotel like the Lowell has plenty of perks, especially its located bedsheets, flat screen television, and 24-hour room service. Accommodation: the Lowell. Address: 28 East 63rd Street, New York, and by 10,065. Amenities: fitness center, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. Casa Sprani, New York. Set by the water in Lower Manhattan, the location and views in Casa Sprana go beyond financial district and other attractions in Lower Manhattan. Accommodation: Casa Sprana, New York. Address: in 10 South Street, New York, and by 10,004 amenities, spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, shuttle service free. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the Traveler Health affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।